Verity.
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 It's Verity. Brought to you by Prodigy.
Hello, you are listening to Kina Podcast. Welcome back to another episode of Living the Life of a PR Personnel. Let's dive into today's episode, in which we will unveil the tips and tricks on how to dress up like a pro. You are what you wear. Getting in front of media interviews, socializing with people in the industry, making connections are all jobs that PR personnel do, right? So, can you imagine dressing in a hoodie while doing press conferences? Oh no, it will be a big disaster, I tell you. Not only for your company's image, but for yourself. No, well, okay, I need to clarify. I have no issues with people wearing what they want and as trendy as they please, but the dress code guidelines unfortunately exist to guide us in choosing the right outfits for each of our occasions, right? Little do you know, our attires are also closely linked to our moods. How is that possible? We will discuss more about it soon. As always, if you like this episode, be sure to subscribe or follow Kina Podcast so that you do not miss any future similar episodes. If you are liking this episode so far, please leave us a 5-star rating at our Spotify channel. If I may ask, when you first meet someone, what will you see first in them? Absolutely not their kind heart, but yes, their outfits. It is important for PR personnel to choose the right outfits to attract public attention and portray a good image as a PR of the company. The way you dress tells so much about what type of company you are representing. You are working in the banking sector? Then business formal and business casual style will never go wrong. As always, business formal is too common and it is usually used for meetings and formal events with all the suits and ties. Can you imagine working every day wearing the same formal style? It will make you look dull and unattractive if it's overused. So, let me touch a bit about business casual style. Business casual style is always labeled as underdress, but actually, it is a bold portrayal of your image as relaxed and not too formal kind of person. This type of attire allows you to feel more at ease in the office while still maintaining a professional appearance. So, how to dress like that? For men, I suggest you to try this set consisting of casual jackets or neutral colored shirts and pair it with an earthy tone slacks, clean sneakers, or loafers can also be considered. And for my ladies, you can wear blouses and pair it with a blazer. Sheath dress is also appropriate for this type of style. For the bottom part, khaki dress pants will be a perfect fit for you. Or you can mix and match it with pencil skirts. Furthermore, you can accessorize your feet with flats, kitten heels, among other options. So happy trying! Next, besides business casual style, have you ever heard of hip style? Yes, as a PR personnel, we can make use of this type of style for our benefits. It will make us look so updated with fashion and portray us as a stylish person effortlessly. This style is commonly dressed by PR personnel in the fashion industry. If you're working at Zara, Nike, L'Oreal, or Maybelline Company, you will find it common for their employees to dress like this. The general idea for hip style is when you're wearing a soft tone t-shirt tucked into your denim jeans and pair it with a denim jacket. His style is suitable for a PR personnel who involves in artistry or fashion company, but remember to add a little bit touch of sophisticated look such as high heels. Not all companies can accept this type of style while working, but yes, if you're good at mix and match your feet, then you will be good to go. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. I will be back after a short break. In this short school break, please remember to stay safe and take good care of your health. Always keep in mind our fight against COVID-19 is not over yet. Wash your hands frequently and keep practicing social distance wherever you go. And for those who are driving, please drive carefully. Think about your loved ones. We at Kina Podcast reminding you to always stay safe and stay healthy. Hello, welcome back to this episode of Dress Up Like a Pro, You Are What You Wear. Just now we have discussed on how to choose the right outfits for PR personnel. Now we will talk about tips and tricks for PR personnel to dress in front of the media. I am sure all the PR personnel have and will experience handling press conferences at least once in their lifetime. So please listen attentively because these tips will change your life. Although putting together an outfit for a media appearance can be difficult at first, but it is necessary anyway. First and foremost, link your dress according to your company. Allow the professionalism of your appearance to provide your audience a taste of what your company has to offer. You can ask your colleagues for their opinion of your attire. If they respond with a positive answer, then you are on the right track with your look. Keep in mind that you are representing your company as a PR. That means you are interacting directly with the audience. Avoid wearing busy patterns and baggy or loose clothes because they are a big no because it will make you look so messy, especially during a seated segment. Well, not many people are concerned about this, but please be mindful of your undergarments. When wearing an unlined or thinner fabric dress, please wear spank tights or shapewear to avoid exposing your panty or bra lines to the camera because it will look so unprofessional. Little do you know, color choices for your clothes are crucial to appear in front of the camera. Colors that exhibit sweat stains or becoming see-through should be avoided. Avoid wearing black and white clothes because they will appear harsh on camera. Please, please, please stay away from striking and bright colors as it will make your audience distracted by your looks. Also, the colors you choose to wear can say a lot about you and your business. It doesn't hurt to add a specific color into your professional appearance if your company's branding focus around it. For example, if you are representing the Malaysia Airlines company mask, you can mix and match your attire with a little touch of neutral tone of red, such as burgundy and blue colors, to match with the color themes of Malaysia Airlines company, which is blue and red. You should choose a shade that makes you feel good and you will leave a lasting effect on your audience. So keep these tips and tricks in your mind. We will be back shortly. Let us support degree students of Public Relations major by following, liking, and sharing their Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook account at IPR Wednesday Malacca to keep interesting updates and latest information of their club. Hello and welcome back. So let's not waste our time. I will continue to expose the secret of how clothes may affect your mood. I guarantee it will blow your mind. Have you ever heard the phrase of clothes make the man? Actually, clothes influence not only how others perceive us, but also our attitude and behavior. According to Dr. Karen Pine, clothing doesn't just influence others, it reflects and influences the wearer's mood. So, if I ask you, if you are feeling like your life completely sucks, or you are feeling sad, you want to wrap yourself in a cozy old sweater, right? And if you're happy, you want to shed clothes and strip away the pain, right? Sounds familiar enough? So, these moods of you are determined by the type of outfit you wear. Dresses and jewelry are often associated with a pleasant or optimistic frame of mind, but baggy outfits and oversized sweatshirts are usually associated with depression. So, Colors are also often associated with someone's mood. Imagine you are seeing a rugby game in a field and one team came with an all black sports jersey. Automatically, your mind will label them as more aggressive and fierce, right? So, this situation is crystal clear that your today's attire reflects your current emotional state. So that is all for today's sharing. We have come to an end of our podcast. Please bear in mind all the tips and tricks on dressing up as a PR personnel that I have shared today. This podcast is exclusively designed for PR personnel on the importance of dressing up and to mix and match from your own closet for each occasions to become presentable at all times. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this episode. I hope this session brings you a lot of benefits. If you are listening and inspired to level up your fashion sense, please leave us a like on this episode of Dress Up Like a Pro. You are what you wear at our Spotify channel. This is your host Kina signing off.